Bandcamp Musicians Distribution Platform Full Review features strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and relevant tools are in the description. Let's dive into what Bandcamp offers, who it's for, and whether it's the right choice for you. Bandcamp is one of the most popular music distribution platforms for independent artists, known for its artist-friendly approach and focus on empowering musicians to sell their music directly to fans. Unlike typical streaming platforms, Bandcamp allows artists to set their own prices, offer exclusive content, and sell physical merchandise like vinyl, CDs, and apparel, all in one place. It's designed for artists who want to build a deeper connection with their audience while maintaining control over their earnings. One of Bandcamp's standout features is its revenue structure. The platform takes a 15% cut from digital sales and 10% from physical merchandise sales, leaving artists with the majority of the income. This makes it one of the best platforms for musicians who want to maximize their earnings. Additionally, Bandcamp offers an easy-to-use interface that allows artists to upload music, set prices, and manage their fan base with minimal effort. The platform also features Bandcamp Pro, which offers enhanced tools like detailed sales analytics, discounted prices for fans, and the ability to offer subscription-based content for loyal listeners. Who is it for? Bandcamp is ideal for independent musicians, bands, and labels who want full control over their music sales, pricing, and fan engagement. It's perfect for artists with a dedicated fan base or those who want to offer exclusive content and build direct relationships with listeners. Strengths? First, the revenue model is highly favorable for artists, with a low commission and the option to set your own prices. Second, the platform's focus on direct sales allows artists to keep more control over their music and earnings. Third, the ability to sell physical merchandise alongside digital music makes Bandcamp a one-stop shop for musicians looking to diversify their income. Weaknesses? While Bandcamp excels at direct sales and fan engagement, it lacks the global reach and streaming features of platforms like Spotify or Apple Music. Artists need to rely on additional distribution services to get their music on those platforms. Additionally, without built-in promotion tools, it's up to artists to drive traffic to their Bandcamp page. Final verdict: if you're an independent artist looking to retain control over your sales and build a closer connection with your audience, Bandcamp is an excellent platform to consider. Check out the links in the description to explore it yourself.